Oh my gosh. Is that normal? So I have upper back pain, a little bit of shoulder pain, and then my head and neck. I don't know. Just all kind of upper.
There we go.
Oof.
That's all there is to it right there.
Wow.
What do you think?
I don't know. I feel it like all right here.
Perfect. Excellent. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Alrighty.
Is that normal?
That was normal. Well, I mean, it was a really good one, don't get me wrong.
Oh, I don't know if I have range of motion or no range of motion.
Wow. There we go.
I do feel like it's like less stiff up in the neck and the shoulders like before.